In this video, I will show you whether the recent crash in Bitcoin will continue. Can we short Bitcoin now? And in Powell's hawkish inflation speech last week, the speech has crashed a lot. In my last video, I said that point of control 4120 is a very important support. Once it falls, it is likely to return to the 3900 again. I have reminded you guys you should not do long in the first crash of Bitcoin. For now, my short has already have a good return. If you want to know the next market trend and you don't want to miss anything important, do stick around to the end. I will explain in details for you. Let's have a look at speaks. On Friday last week, Powell said that inflation hike in the United States is still ongoing. The next Fed meeting on September 21st is still have a great chance that the 75 points will may be raised, and then the speaks along with Bitcoin will crash. For now, this big red candle does not show any shadow line. The expectation of selling is very high. It is very likely that the market will continue to fall today. The trading volume is also increasing. In the future signs, as you can see, it shows a gap and decline, so it is still very bad right now. The next support level will be around 3950. This is the edge of the oscillation range. It is also a breakthrough, so pay attention to this. Let's get back to our main course Bitcoin. First, we should pay attention to the weekly candle. On Monday's video last week, I have told you that the bearish engulfing pattern has shown up. If you do swing trade, you should go short. The weekly candle is almost no shadow line, and the decline is still very strong. So overall speaking, I may say short for Bitcoin this week. And in monthly time frame, the 19K925 is the level that worth your attention. It is temporarily falling below, but if the closing line in August still above the support, it indicates that in big level, it may form an oscillation range and may last for half a year. However, the possibility of falling back to 10,000 will be very little, so don't be bearish on Bitcoin for no reason. We should wait for the monthly candle here. This could be decisive. Back to the daily time frame, I have told you about the trend of this rise last week. Bitcoin is moving sideways here. Many people felt very bored about this, but it was obvious a bear flag pattern as a rebound structure, and it will continue a decline. When Bitcoin falls below the lower line here, we can go short after this short pattern is complete. At present, my view is that the decline has not ended. We may predict the end of the decline with the same drop ratio as you see, and it may fall to about fifths 1.618, and it is around 18k US dollars, and it may touch the 17k 600 before the US market opened today. Then, if you want to short, you can pay attention to the 20k, because it usually does not stay in the intact, which will become a resistance area. The second may be that Bitcoin may rebound to the fifth 618. There is also the lower line of the bear flag shape, which can be short here. The stop loss is around 21k 874. If you want to short at market price right now, the stop loss trigger is only near 20k 700. And by the way, it is risky, so do it with lower position. In a word, we have to pay attention to the monthly support level 19k 925. Although it has been broken, it is possible that it has a false breakout before the monthly candle shows up. And there is a previous low of 17k 600 that you should not miss. If it falls below and have a quick rebound, this is the second breakout for you to long, which can be used to hedge for locking up the profit. In the end, Ethereum is basically the same as Bitcoin. The short-term trend is already a decline. If there is no short in your hands, I remind you not to long. For now, there is a bullish falling wedge pattern, so there is a chance that it will rise in the future. At present, there are very strong selling intentions, and it is very difficult to have a rally in the short term. Therefore, there are many uncertain factors in Ethereum. You're gonna wait for a better chance. I will choose to pay more attention to the support level of 1279. If it is effective here, a large rebound will occur. At this time, you can buy spot Ethereum here. The above is my trading plan. My video is for reference only. If you like my video, do smash a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.